Hello everyone, welcome to the Sweet Source Canada YouTube channel. My name is Tristan and today we're going to be changing out the driver's side window switch on our 1999 Volvo S70. Very simple affair, we've done this already on the channel but in the door panel video. But we're going to go ahead and cover it in this video real quick to show you guys how simple this is. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove this door panel. So you're going to start by popping up this trim here. So that comes out upwards with a flat head. Just like this. Put that to the side. And then over here you want to take out this trim right around the door handle. Just like this. This one right here. And then we can take out the door panel by getting this screw out. Grab your T25 driver and loosen the little Torx bolt that was hiding under that cap. Once that's done, you can go around the door panel and pop things out. So once your door panel is loose like this, you can go ahead and pop the switch out without having to actually take out the whole panel. Open it up like so, and we're going to just try to reach in there and pop out the actual switch. Like that. And this could be unplugged. There are 3 plugs that hold this in. Press down the tabs. Pull out the wires. And that's our old one. Now out. Here's our new OEM Volvo one. It's actually slightly used. It's a brand new switch. It's only been used for a few months. Part number matches. And as you see, it looks very pretty. All the buttons seem to work really nicely. So we're going to go ahead and pop this in. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and test all our functions. Alright, so we've gone ahead and tested all the functions. So one of these buttons is not working. I think there's something going on with the right rear window. So that's going to be something we diagnosed. But everything else seems to be functioning very well. So we're going to go ahead and put this switch in, and there's a pin here that slides into this groove, and just press the switch in like so. There we go. That was quite a tight fit. I think probably the new switch hasn't been removed much in and out of a car, but it looks really good like that. So like I said, all the functions are working well apart from this one here. I do believe it's not a problem with the actual switch itself. I do believe something going on with the back window. So that's something that's got to be figured out eventually. But that's in, and we can finish reinstalling this door panel. Sadly, one of these pieces broke off, so we're going to have to reglue this at one point. But for now, we're going to reinstall the panel as is. Door panel is now clipped back in. First thing we're going to do is hold that on there. Let's reinstall this T25. Don't forget it's screwing into plastic. So don't overly tighten it. That's all you need. Take the little cap, like that. And the last piece right here, you put this in as well. Just like that. And that window switch is now installed and looking very nice, ready to be used. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. It's a sweltering hot day here today. As you can see, I'm just absolutely sweating. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. Very easy to repair. Our door panels were previously repaired with JB Weld on these clips here, and as you can see, it came loose on one of them, so we'll have to repair this at one point. But otherwise, this repair went smoothly. If you do have a P80 car that doesn't have door panels that have been re-glued or whatever, you have to be very careful doing this not to break those tabs. Kind of with age, it's kind of a given they're going to break. They're very fragile. Just be careful when you pop out door panel. You don't need to take out the whole thing, just loosen it where you can get your hand underneath and get in there. Anyways, hope the video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one. Please like, subscribe, comment if you have anything to add or say, or be part of the community. And have yourself a great day. Goodbye.